Dawn on Maple Crest Farm greets a chorus of clucking and Daisy the sheepdog corralling curious cats. Farmer Eli jokes about duct tape irrigation fixes that somehow save the day and spark a chorus of groans and laughter. Mia the student shows kids how to weigh piglets, while the pigs squeal like tiny rhythm sections. A gust saves the tomato row, turning a near loss into a joyous jam session as banners of red glow. Even storms end with cocoa, stories, and a vow to plant brighter seeds in kinder habits tomorrow.